How to transfer money from Capital One 360 Savings to another bank. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Capital One 360 account using your username and password. If you haven't already, you may need to enroll in online banking. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer section of your Capital One 360 dashboard. This is where you will find options for transferring money between accounts. Look for the option to transfer funds to an external account. Capital One 360 allows you to link external accounts for easy transfers. Enter the details of the recipient bank account, including the account number, routing number, and the name of the account holder. Double-check the information for accuracy. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the funding account from which you want to send the money. In this case, choose your Capital One 360 savings account. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. And you have successfully initiated a transfer from your Capital One 360 savings account to another account. You should receive confirmation of the transaction and the funds will be sent according to the processing timeframes of the recipient bank. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from your Capital One 360 savings account to another bank account securely and conveniently. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.